Arlo is planning a DIY smart home security system. The company, best known for its security cameras, plans to launch the system in the second half of 2019. It's centered around this clever sensor that does a lot. The Arlo multi-sensor packs a magnetic sensor for detecting doors and windows opening and closing, a passive infrared sensor for movement detection, a moisture sensor for detecting water leaks, and a temperature sensor and microphone. The microphone will listen for the alarm of an existing smoke or carbon monoxide detector. It's a neat idea, especially if you move house or want to fine-tune your security system. A sensor used as, say, a flood detector can be put to use as a motion sensor. At the heart of it is this Arlo Smart Hub, which communicates with Arlo devices and a range of Zigbee and Z-Wave devices from other companies to broaden the ecosystem. Arlo will also sell this siren that does double duty as a door chime for its recently launched smart doorbell. And there's a remote control, but not a keypad unit. The entire Arlo security system is managed through a smartphone app, including the arming and disarming. The remote key fob provides a shortcut around opening the app. A nice touch is a couple of user-programmable buttons on the top that could, say, be set to switch on and off the lights as you arrive and leave your house. Arlo will put the security system on sale in the second half of 2019. It hasn't determined the price or exact availability.